The U.S. unemployment system has been swamped after nearly 10 million workers were idled in the last month due to the coronavirus outbreak, and millions more file for jobless benefits.
I actually haven't gotten an unemployment check yet. The system's overwhelmed. You can't call in. If you call in to the employment, they just hang up on you.
Around the world, widespread economic shutdowns imposed to slow the deadly pandemic have left many businesses on the brink of collapse. In parts of Europe, governments are paying companies to keep workers on the payroll to stabilize the economy and ease financial anxiety during the public health crisis.
Then the worker has some place that they know that they're going to go when the crisis is over, and their health care is taken care of.
But in the U.S., most workers are eligible for assistance only after they lose their jobs. Many also lose their employer-provided health care coverage, and some groups like undocumented immigrants are excluded from receiving unemployment benefits. The federal government is sending $1,200 directly to Americans with moderate incomes, and Congress is negotiating a second round of stimulus payments. The U.S. government does have one program aimed at keeping workers on the job, loans to small businesses that are forgiven if employers retain workers during the pandemic.
The reason why everything is so convoluted is probably because they don't want to have a series of incredibly perverse incentives that might lead to businesses not behaving normally once they reopen.
In some states, the National Guard is helping distribute food to those in dire need, as many waiting for assistance struggle to pay for basic needs.
I have no idea what we're going to do about rent the next month, where that's going to come from, or our electricity bill.
Once bureaucratic delays and bottlenecks are resolved, financial assistance should help unemployed Americans survive in the short term. But concerns about a slow economic recovery leave many wondering if their old job will be available after the pandemic ends. Brian Padden, VOA News, Washington.